Hello, today we are trying Soft Dark Glam makeup look with Editorial Wet Hair. So girlies, I already prepped my skin. Our first step is applying foundation. I'm blending it really well. Now I'm taking a beauty blender and smudge it everywhere. I think if we use beauty blender, it will give us a natural look or something. Anyways, next step is concealer. So guys, if you want to remove that dark color or pigmented area on your face, you can use concealer to remove it. Now I'm using a banana powder on the spot wherever I applied concealer because it won't smudge if we apply banana powder, or you can use whatever powders you want. Now my favorite part, contouring. I contour my cheeks, nose, and I'm using it as blush, okay, not as usual contouring, but I'm using it as a blush contour, and forehead, nose, everywhere. And yeah guys, I want to tell you already, I'm not good at English. Speaking. I can read and write, but I'm not perfect for English. And now I'm studying American accent. So bear it with me guys. I know my accent, English is kind of suck. But support me if you, I'm only studying. Anyways, we are already done our contouring. And yeah, you say orange or pink, yeah, peach color blush as applying my cheeks, and now I'm using setting powder to the part of my nose and under my cheeks. I'm filling in my eyebrows with a black kajal. You can use, you can fill it or draw it. I have already a, I have already eyebrows. So I don't need to draw it. So I just fill it with a kajal and comb it with a spoolie. Now we are moving with eyes. So I'm using a little bit of pinkish or brown, not that dark or not that light. Yeah, you can say it orangish or brownish shade. I apply it everywhere and blend it really well. And I already told you I used a lighter shade of brown and pink, and yeah, I also use a glimmery shade. Now I'm moving to eyes, like kajal. I applied a little bit of kajal. Now I'm using a dark eyeshadow, and yeah, I applied eyeliner. As you can see, it's like a satin eyes or something. I don't know what to say. You can see it. I kind of want to do it, but I don't get it, guys. Anyways, you can do it from watching. Now I am using a orangish brownish orange shade. I already told you before. I applied it upper of my eyes because I want a little smoky but a nude or kind of vibe eyeshadow. So next step is contouring. Powder contour. Before we turn is cream or something, I done it like a cream contour. Now it's a powder contour. As you can see, it's really went well. Highlighter. I really like highlighting my face because it kind of give me a cute or something. You can say whatever, but if we highlight our face, it will, you know I don't know what to say, it will give that vibe. Anyways, next we are Moving to lips, I already lined my lips and using a nude lipstick, you can see. And yeah, I applied a dark brown lipstick upper of my lips, a layer. Okay, and yeah, we are moving mascara. I already curled my lashes. I applied a little bit of kajal side of my eyes. Now I am applying it everywhere under my eyes. You can see I want to pop my eyes even more. Now I apply a glimmer shade. Anyways, that's all for today, guys. If you like my videos, do subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you for watching.